I remember where you found me, broken-hearted, weak and worn. Yet your mercy reached and held me, and you carried me along. When I thought my hope had vanished, you opened up a brand new door. Now my soul is filled with wonder at the goodness of the Lord. Miracles on miracles, blessings overflowing. Every day your hand is working, every day your love is showing. What you started you will finish, faithful through it all. Miracles on miracles, I can see your hand, O Lord. When the answer seemed so distant and the waiting felt so long, you were moving in the silence, writing beauty through it all. What I could not see before me, you were shaping for my good. Now I stand and give you glory, for you did just what you said. Miracles on miracles, blessings overflowing. Every day your hand is working, every day your love is showing. What you started you will finish, faithful through it all. Miracles on miracles, I can see your hand, O Lord. You have healed a hurting spirit, you have lifted weary hearts. You have turned despair to worship and brought light where shadows were. Every promise you have spoken still remains forever true, and the testimony rises, Lord, the glory belongs to you. Miracles on miracles, blessings overflowing. Every day your hand is working, every day your love is showing. What you started you will finish, faithful through it all. Miracles on miracles, I can see your hand, O Lord. There are stories still unfolding, there are prayers you still will hear. There are mountains yet to crumble through the power of your name. So I'll trust you for tomorrow, just as I have trusted now. For the God who worked before me is still working even now. Miracles on miracles, grace beyond all measure. Every step reveals your goodness, every day reveals your favor. From the rising of the morning to the setting of the sun, I will sing of all you've done, Lord, till my journey here is done. Miracles on miracles, endless mercy from above. Every breath becomes a testimony of your everlasting love. miracles on miracles, forever I will sing to Jesus Christ, my Savior, my Lord, my God.